Welcome to our journey through the healing power of sound frequencies. Just as a single note can evoke a range of emotions, specific sound frequencies possess the power to influence our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Today, we'll explore 6 unique frequencies and their potential benefits. By immersing ourselves in these sonic vibrations, we open ourselves to a world of transformative possibilities. As we embark on this sonic exploration, a journey to unlock the hidden potential within, guided by the wisdom of sound. Imagine yourself surrounded by a lush forest, sunlight filtering through the leaves, a gentle breeze rustling the trees. This is the essence of 432 Hertz, a frequency often called the heart chakra tuner. When you listen to music tuned to 432 Hz, you may feel a sense of deep peace and relaxation washing over you. It's a sonic bridge connecting us to the Earth's energy, reminding us of our interconnectedness with all living things. 528 Hz is a frequency of miracles, of profound transformation and renewal. Imagine this frequency as a radiant light, gently bathing your being, mending fragmented strands of your being, and awakening the dormant potential within. As you listen to 528 Hz, feel your heart opening, your spirit soaring, and a renewed sense of hope and possibility blossoming within. Imagine a circle of loved ones, hearts connected, laughter echoing through the air. This is the energy of 639 Hz, a frequency that fosters understanding, empathy, and harmonious relationships. As you listen to 639 Hz, visualize your heart chakra expanding, radiating love and compassion outward, creating a ripple effect of harmony in your relationships and the world around you. Imagine a clear blue sky after a storm, the air fresh and invigorating. This is the essence of 741 Hz, a frequency that promotes clarity, mental detoxification, and positive self-expression. As you listen to 741 Hz, visualize any negativity within you dissolving, replaced by a vibrant energy of optimism and possibility. Imagine a soft, inner voice whispering guidance, leading you toward your highest potential. This is the energy of 852 Hz, a frequency that awakens intuition, enhances spiritual awareness, and connects you to your inner wisdom. As you listen to 852 Hz, visualize your third eye chakra opening, allowing clarity and insight to flow through you. Imagine a starlit night sky, vast and infinite, reminding you of your place within the grand scheme of the universe. This is the essence of 963 Hz, the frequency of the gods, a frequency that promotes spiritual enlightenment, unity consciousness, and connection to the divine. As you listen to 963 Hz, feel a sense of expansion, of dissolving boundaries, and merging with something far greater than yourself. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of sound frequencies. We've journeyed through a spectrum of sonic vibrations, each carrying unique healing potential. By incorporating these frequencies into your life, you can create a symphony of healing, promoting balance, harmony, and expanded consciousness. Experiment with these frequencies, explore their effects, and discover the profound impact they can have on your life. May the power of sound guide you on your journey toward greater wholeness and well-being.